Hey everyone, so this is my next tutorial. This is another springy sort of look, nice one for summer actually as well, but it's another one for like colourful, slightly wearable, but this has a little bit more colour to it than my other one that I did, the peachy one with the blue liner. I went a little bit more out there and I did a purple ombre liner, but I still think that this is quite wearable anyway, so yeah. If you do want to get this look or recreate this look, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's start off the look by priming the eye with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I feel like I've used this in every single video I've done recently, but I'm going to do the normal and just prime my lower lash line and all along my lid, all the way up to my brow. Next I'm taking the Catrice Brow Lifter and Highlighter, and I'm taking the matte side of this. And I'm just drawing that along the lower line of my brow, just to brighten it and highlight under my brow so I don't have to add a highlight later on. And I'm just blending that down towards my crease with my finger. I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in Matte 368. And this is a very soft peach shade. It's really nice transition shade. And I'm just applying that on a soft fluffy brush into my crease and really blending out the edge. I'm then taking Inglot Eyeshadow in AMC 51, which is a pure orange with a little bit of sparkle, but the sparkle tends to blend away anyway. And I'm taking that on a MAC 217 and I'm applying that to the outer corner of my eye and deeper into the crease. So it's a little bit more in the crease, it's not blended up as high as the first peachy shade. For the lid, I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in Shine 15, which is an orange with a gold shimmer. And I'm applying that with a flat brush all over the lid. And blending it into the orange on the outer corner as well. I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in DS 464, which is a burnt orange. And to be honest, I just added this in because I did it and that's what I did for the look, but you really cannot even see after I've done this when I do my liner. I just did this into the lashes just to deepen them slightly. On to the fun part, which is the liner. I'm taking NYX Vivid Brights liner in Blossom, which is the lilac. And I'm applying that to the inner half of my upper lash line. Just going about halfway up to where my iris is. Then I'm taking the NYX Vivid Brights liner in Violet, which is obviously violet. And I'm applying that to the outer half of my lid, on my upper lash line on my lid. And then winging that one out. This is kind of out of frame, but to get the ombre effect, what I did was I went back in where the two colours meet and applied just a little bit more of each shade on the respective side, and then went in with a lip brush over the wet product and kind of patted them together until they blended into each other. The products won't blend while they're dry, they'll only blend while they're wet, so you want to add a little bit more product just to keep it nice and wet. I'm taking the first peach shade, the 368 from Inglot, along my lower lash line now, and really blending that down. I'm then taking the orange, which is AMC 51 from Inglot, and I'm applying that into my lashes on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the 464 shade, the burnt orange that we use that you can't even see, and I'm applying that a little bit closer into my lashes to darken up those lashes. I'm just concealing my under eyes now to get rid of the dark circles and tidy up around the edges and any fall down. I know I already used a highlight and I said I used a highlight so I didn't have to use a highlight, but I wanted a brighter highlight then towards the end. So I'm taking Inglot's
eyeshadow in 373, which is a matte white, and I'm applying that along my upper, obviously my upper brow bone, my brow bone area, and using that to soften out the edges of the shadows as well. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in Shine 46, which is like a peachy pinky duochrome, but it's very, very soft. It's really warm, so it looks really cool with the orange shades on the eye. And I'm just applying that around my tear duct area. Popping on some mascara, and I'm using the MAC Hot n Naughty mascara. And I'm just applying that to my top and my bottom lashes. And in my waterline, I'm using the Inglot Kohl pencil in 05, which is a nude. This will just keep the eyes nice and bright. I'm popping on a pair of lashes, and these are the MAC False Lashes in 33. They're really natural, they just give you a little extra add-on to your own lashes. I call them the pixie lashes because they remind me of a pixie's eyes. They make your eyes look really fluttery and open, but still natural. For the cheeks, I'm using the Fenty Matchstick in Yacht Lyfe, and I'm just drawing that in little strokes along my cheeks. And then once you look a little bit like a doll, I'm taking my fingers and just patting that in so it blends into the skin. For contour, I'm going to use the Benefit Dallas bronzer because it's a little bit warmer, so it ties in nice with the warmth on the eyes. And I'm using a Real Techniques setting brush for this, and I'm just contouring my cheekbones. For highlight, I wanted it to be beaming, so I'm using the Inglot Sparkling Dust in 07, and it is so bright. So I'm just taking that on a small little brush and applying that to my cheeks so that everyone can see me from space. For the lips, I'm going to use the MAC Liptensity Lip Pencil in Pressed Blooms. These are really nice lip pencils. They're like a gel formula, and they're really, really pigmented, so they don't dry your lips out, but they do stay on really, really well. And then I'm taking MAC's lipstick in Sandy B, which is like a coral with a shimmer, like a gold shimmer going through it, which I thought would look really nice with the eyes. And that's your finished look.
Alrighty guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'll have a full list of products linked down or listed down below, and I'll have my social media linked down below as well. My voice is going for some reason. It's early in the morning and it's probably because I haven't spoken properly today. But yeah, so this is the finished look. If you did like, give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe down below, and leave me a comment, let me know what you think as well. And I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!